Students, today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 12, handling data. Now, handling data is nothing but collection of data or information in a meaningful way. Okay? Under this, we are going to do one topic today, that is pictograph. Students, pictographs is just the representation of data in the form of pictures. Now here you can see they have taken one example, as today is one Mahotsav. Okay, so teacher described this festival to all the students and encouraged them to plant trees. Okay, so now you can see Seema has planted a few number of trees. The same way Umesh, Harvinder and Nusrat, they all have planted some trees. Now here you can see this is a pictograph where pictures are used to represent the information. Here the information is number of trees planted by students, and the key taken is one picture represents one tree. Is it clear? So whenever you are preparing a pictograph, both the things are very important to be mentioned. First of all, what are you representing? And secondly, which key are you using? Okay. So now we can easily read this pictograph. That is, Seema has planted 1, 2, 3 and 4 number of trees. Because one tree represents one tree. Okay, one picture represents one tree. Umesh has planted 1 and 2, 2 number of trees. Harvinder has planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 trees. Whereas Nusrat has planted 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 trees. Okay. So, after reading this pictograph, you may be asked some questions like who has planted the maximum number of trees? Okay. How many students have planted the same number of trees? Or who have planted the same number of trees? Who has planted the least number of trees? Right? Or you may even be asked, how many trees are being planted by Seema? Okay? How many trees are being planted by Harvinder? So now let's see what questions are there in the book. Then we will discuss them. Okay? So now you can see who planted the most trees. Coming back here, you can see because Harvinder has planted 7 number of trees and 7 is the maximum, the biggest number. So Harvinder planted the most trees. Okay. Next question. How many more trees than Umesh did Nusrat plant? Okay. So now Umesh has planted 2 number of trees, whereas Nusrat has planted 4 number of trees. Okay. So now Nusrat has planted 2 more number of trees because 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Now let's move further. Which students planted 4 trees? Now from this question again, You can see 4 number of trees are planted by both Seema and Nusrat. So you will give your answer as Seema and Nusrat. Further, D part, how many trees were planted in all? So for that, what you will do, you will add up all the number of trees. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17. So the total number of trees are 17. Okay. So students, whenever we are being asked to draw a pictograph, it's very important to mention the information, okay, the title of that pictograph, whatever you are going to show. Secondly, the key that you are using, right? And further, if you are already being given the pictograph and you are to solve the questions, then from here only you get to know what is being given. Okay.